hell am I?
Thank the light. Another hero. I am Uther the Lightbringer. I will guide you through the trials of the Nexus.
Nexus? So this is a Protoss thing?
No, you see, Look, there is little time to explain. Powerful enemies are coming for you, and you must be prepared. This path will lead you to me. It seems a minion of Diablo has found you. To attack it, press the A key on the keyboard, then left.
Time to man up.
There surely will be more on your way to me. You can see them here on your mini-map.
I think I'll introduce myself. Did some kind of glowy orb just bust out of that thing?
A regeneration globe. Move to it and it will regenerate health and mana for both you and nearby allies. You can press the A key and left-click the ground to move towards a location and attack enemies you encounter along the way.
Raiders roll. What are these things?
Undead minions. Beings that serve the demon lord Diablo.
Really? And here I thought I'd seen it all. Time to man up.
Nicely done. You can use this gateway to reach my location.
Just hold your horses. Before I go into someplace new, you gotta tell me what I'm getting into. Now, what exactly is this Nexus place?
The Nexus is a cosmic storm where worlds collide from across time, space, and even dimension. More and more of us are being called into this enigmatic realm, tested in the forge of combat against others of equal merit.
So, I'm here to fight things.
And achieve glory.
Okay, that's simple enough for me. Let's go.
About time you arrived, lad.
Is this another world?
Something like that. This is Raven Court, one of the Nexus's many realms. And here, I'm the last line of defense. I need you to press forward and take the fight to Diablo.
Diablo?
You dare stand against the Lord of Terror? I wonder, how tastes your fear, mortal?
I wouldn't know. I'm not even sure you can actually taste fear.
You will be devoured.
Well, he doesn't make the best first impression, does he? Think I better teach him some manners.
If you're going to take on Diablo, you'll need to make the most of your abilities. First, that's it! Using your abilities will deal more damage than your basic weapon attacks. Nice shot, lad! Remember, you can use...
I suggest you try it sometime, Uther. It's a lot more effective than hitting things with that dang hammer.
There's too many skeletons ahead. We've got to retreat!
Well, this ain't good. These boys are losing the will to fight.
Your Inspire ability emboldens both your allies and yourself, allowing them to move and attack faster. You must inspire these footmen and continue the fight.
Feels like I can take on the world! Charge!
Don't get cocky, kid. Got something special for you.
Your Inspire ability increases the attack and movement speed of both you and nearby allies. Use it whenever you can.
Right on. Give him some pepper.
Your newfound bravery will not save you. Your petty lives end here.
Our footmen are engaging Diablo up ahead. Unlock your camera and take a look. That's it. Now scroll the map and let's see what Diablo is up to.
Burn in hellfire!
He's injured. Now's your time to strike. If you prefer, you can return to a locked camera by pressing the C key once more.
This realm and all the misbegotten souls within it are mine!
Not on my watch.
I will hunt your soul across eternity, James Raynor.
Well done, lad. But this is not over yet. Use your Hearthstone to join me.
Ain't this fancy.
This is the Hall of Storms. Heroes are summoned here when a battle begins. Our goal is to destroy the enemy's core while protecting our own from their attacks. Both cores summon minions which travel down this pathway and fight each other in countless waves of combat.
Gotcha. Take out Diablo's core and this fight's over. Sounds easy enough. Tell me, why are we doing this again?
You know, you really shouldn't think so hard about these things.
Let the battle
This should be
begin.
good.
First, head out to the front line.
Stitches want to play!
Not very wise, that one. Attacking a fort by yourself is practically suicide.
Right on.
Our minions will help you press towards the enemy core. Stay behind them and let them soak up damage. Enemy towers deal a lot of damage, but they'll always try to kill our minions first. Only assault a tower when our minions are nearby. Well done, lad. You have proven yourself worthy.
What can I say? I got a talent for making things explode.
Minions and stone are no challenge. Now I will feast upon your terror!
Oh yeah? Well, now just wait a minute. Feast upon my terror? Now that's twice, man. Now let me school you. You cannot eat fear or terror. They are what we call emotions.
Mm-hmm. He right. No taste terror.
You see? Stinky here gets it.
Enough!
Wait a minute. Didn't I just die?
Don't worry. Within the Nexus, death is merely a setback. After a short break, you'll be revived and ready to fight. I hope you don't mind if I join you this time. That should even the scales a bit.
Not at all. Let's giddy up, partner. Well, that just happened.
Mount up and let's head back into the fight. You can dismount by pressing the mount button again.
Fill 'em full of daylight. Time to man up.
behind our minions and let them soak up damage.
Your team draws first blood.
Headshot.
Fort destroyed.
That's it! All that remains is the enemy's core.
One in the chink.
Enemy slain.
Right on.
Excellent work.
Victory.
Hey, you got anything more to say, Fire Breath?
I will have my vengeance, James Raynor. This is not over.
Well, this ain't a fair fight.
You shall not stand alone.
Well, look what the Nexus dragged in. Fancy seeing you here, cowboy.
Nova? Now this place is starting to feel like home.
Don't get comfortable. You're in for a bumpy ride.
Only kind I ever liked. Come on, Red. Let's see what you got. I'm looking around too.